It's awning installation day, so I'll show you what's got going on here. So this is a location that I've scoped out for the brackets. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Yes, there's some scrapes when I was test fitting it. Luckily you can't see them in the under, so I'm going to take a drill bit, go just enough through, then I'll be inserting these jack nuts or plus nuts into each hole, and I'll have a threaded 1/4 by 20 insert all along here. Then the butyl tape will go on the back side of the brackets, and then we'll fix it. So I'll keep you posted. just hoisted it up and you can see it's installed. So from underneath, that's the profile it looks like. The bottom fits in right here. It's perfectly misses the top, so if you see the top goes down, doesn't interfere with it. I put it as far forward as I could before it would possibly touch the weather stripping. And you can see how it's situated down there. This gap, obviously the weather stripping is not a great landmarker, but it's 3/4 of an inch right here. So once I slid it this way to where I wanted it, lined up here, you take a 10mm socket, and these are retaining bolts right here so it can't slide forward or bump off the track. So tighten these down. So it basically locks in a top channel. Doesn't have to be crazy. It's all very stiff as it is. So once you get those in, your awning is essentially secured. There's a square nut in a channel on the other side of this. So that's the back side. And here's the back side, the final installation bolt. Snug it down. Okay, since this is an LED light model, it has the connectors. I haven't drilled holes, I haven't decided. First of all, I want to see what they look like powered on, because if they're bright blue, I don't want that anyway. But likely, since it comes out the bottom here, I might try to tuck it in here with some sort of grommet or something that's waterproofed. But that'll be it for the future. Carefree awning installed. Since I didn't get a hardware kit or a thing, I'll do a Canadian awning opener, being a hockey stick and an anchor. So let's see how this works. Obviously, if I had a proper handle and more than one hand, it would work much better. But so far so good. Looks pretty nice. Zoom out a bit for you. So as you extend it, there's legs that are underneath which will fold down. And I think you can also change the pitch, how it exits, based on, there's Allen key screws in 3 locations. Here, here, and here. I have to look at the user manual, but they changed the overall pitch of the awning, so it comes perhaps higher. But so far so good. I'll extend it. Oh, it'd be much easier. Oh, other than a one-handed hockey stick. You'll see once it's out. I should feel some resistance. There you go. That's the full out, so there. And these simply just, there's just a screw right there. So you unclick that. That's one arm down. So this, I was a little leery about breaking it, but you actually do fold all the way down. Slide it, it drops under, and you can extend it to the distance you need it.